guys, in today's video I will be sharing some hair hacks and some hair tips that will change your hair game. So if you want to watch that, please stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I make content related to beauty, makeup and skincare, hair care. So yes, if you want to get some tips on hair care, makeup, skincare, then please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. So as I said in the beginning, and I will be talking about hair hacks that every girl should know, or the hair hacks that will change your hair game definitely. So let's begin without wasting any more time. So guys, my first hair care or hair tip is to for the dry ends. So we all have hand creams and they work wonderfully. So my tip is to use the hair hand cream on the ends of your hair. So what the thing is, hair hand creams have the similar ingredients which are there in the hand cream, and you don't have to buy a separate product. So what it will do, it will nourish your ends and giving you a very smooth and shine glow to your hair. This will help in adding the moisturizer and shine to your hair when you are on a go and you don't have that much time and you don't have that many products. So you are slapping on moisturizer on your hand, and then you are smoothing your hair a little bit with the hand cream, and voila, you are sorted. The second hair care tip that every girl should know is baby hair. These are the baby hairs. First of all, if you guys have baby hair, congratulations, that is such a good thing because that means your hair are growing. So yeah, but we know once we are styling our hair, and then these little small hairs, they are such a mess and so hard to control. So what my tip is, take a hairspray or something and spread it on a brush, like the toothbrush that we use, and comb it through your hair little bit, and then they will be stuck to your scalp, and voila. With this tip, that it will make sure that you are not using too much of a hairspray. So little bit of hairspray on the brush, and you don't need anything else. And at the end of the video I will tell you a DIY kind of thing, how you can make a hairspray at home. So yeah, stay tuned till the end of the video. So my third tip is using the serum properly. So I have already made a video regarding how to use serums properly and the correct way of using serums, but still if you guys have not watched out, I will watch that. I will add the link and everything, but still for the sake of the video, I wanted to add this thing in this video because it is such an important tip. Talking about the comb, first thing, you should use combs that have these kind of teeth, they are very wide and lots of space must be there. So yeah, use these kind of combs because they will help reduce the hair fall anything. And what you do with the serums, take a serum and drop one drop at each teeth, and then comb your hair. So that way what will happen, that whatever serum is there is applied on your hair as well. And once you do 2 or 3 strokes of the comb, that every drop of serum will be absorbed into your hair. And if you are you can I gave another way how to use serum properly, that is to apply the serum in between your fingers and comb your hair like this. So yeah, in a way you are using your hands like a comb, or either you can use the combs like these. Okay, another tip that changed my hair game, and I recently started doing it, I was not doing it previously. So my next tip is to brush your hair, comb your hair before taking a shower. What I used to do, I used to have a bun and I will directly go into the shower, and then I will open my it will be all messed up, tangled, and again I'm putting shampoo and again I'm massaging my hair, and it will get more tangled. So once like my hair starts drying little bit, I will comb and like lots of hair fall will happen. So what I started doing, I started combing my hair before I'm taking a shower or before I'm shampooing my hair. So what will happen, there will be no tangles, and like once you are massaging or like washing your hair, so you are massaging your scalp and you are making sure that your hair doesn't get tangled, further more tangled. So I guess this is such an important tip. Like I like got to know like few time, like little time back only, and that was like a lifesaver for me. My hair fall has gone down a lot. Okay, next hair tip that every girl should know is that don't do very tight updos. I I am guilty of doing that. I was doing it for such a long time, but I have stopped that now, like not completely, but yes, because like what happens, like generally we females have like bald spots over here or here. So that happens because like you are like pulling your hair in a very tight bun, like pulling the hair upwards. If you are doing that, don't do it for the full day. Like if you are doing that, don't do it full day, because like our hair are meant to fall like this. Like they are made and meant to fall like this, so this is their natural state. So if we are keeping our hair uprooted like high, then it is so bad for hair. I hope I'm able to explain what I'm saying. And another thing that I would like to add over here, if you guys are doing updos or like you are tying your hair in a bun, don't use rubber bands, use clutches, because like once you are like opening the bun with a rubber, like again 4-5 strands of hair like come out along with the rubber band. So use a clutcher, don't use hair ties. And even if you are doing a like high bun, like keep it very loose, not that tight. The tip I would like to add, like that will like help your hair care routine or hair game, is like reverse conditioning. Before showering, like condition your hair first, leave it for 5-10 minutes and then shower. And generally what we do, we take shampoo and like directly dump it on our scalp. Don't do that. Dilute the shampoo with little water, or if you can add little bit of rose water, that will help immensely for your hair. And like massage your scalp with the like shampoos are meant to be on your scalp and conditioners are meant to be on your hair. So keep that in mind. If like you are doing reverse conditioning, I guess that will help you a lot. It has helped me a lot. I like condition my hair first. I like condition my like length of my hair. I don't condition on my scalp. I just like put like conditioner on my like length of my hair, and then after that I go for a shower. Like tip that will change your hair game is like don't, after like shampooing and conditioning your hair, don't rub your hair with towel. Like it breaks my heart. Like even I used to do that when I was a kid, but now I have stopped. Like it is harming and damaging your hair like anything. If anything, like this is such a bad thing. Like I see people like doing roughly treating their hair. Don't do that. Like take a like very smooth cotton kapda. If you don't like want to take a cotton cloth, then you can like take a simple t-shirt of yours and then like pat and dry the water which is there in your hair very gently, very smoothly. Like you tell, if someone is like rubbing, like scrubbing and like doing like that, how will you feel? I seriously, like I don't get it. So don't do that. It is hurting your hair like anything. So yes, take a cotton t-shirt, like damp, and like pat it and remove the excess water and wrap it around, and like don't wrap your hair too much. And another thing I want to add, like don't use too much heating tools. Like let your hair air dry. Don't use heating tools or like blow dries and everything, because again heat is not good for our hair. So yes, I hope I was helpful, and these are the tips that I learned over a period of time, and that they have helped me a lot. They have changed my hair game. My hair, like, I feel they are not best, but I feel like they have become very much better. That's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I have tried to add lots of things that I have learned over a period of time, and I am planning to make another video. I am planning to make another video how to wash your hair properly, because I feel that is much needed, although I try to add so many things over here in this video itself. So, and yes, I am planning to like make a video, another video on my hair care routine. So because many of you have requested it, so I thought yes, I will make one. So yes, stay tuned for that one, and please like and subscribe to my channel, comment on the video, share it with your friends, because it will help me a lot. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. I'm so close to 6,000 followers. I just want to reach there, so yeah, help me reach to 6,000 follower goal. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. This means a lot that you guys take out time from your busy schedules and watch my video. Like, so much effort goes into like creating one video, and like you guys take out time, and you guys love my content. And again, it means the world to me. I cannot begin to explain in the words like what it means to me. Yeah, so thank you so much. I love you all so much. I have reached here, it's because of love that you guys have been showering on me. Like, it means the world to me. Yeah, I have talked so much, so I will shut up and go. Yeah, bye, take care. I will see you in my next one.